Hi, I'm Brandon, the warranty manager here at Wolf Industries. I'm here to help you understand the warranty process and answer frequently asked questions. We have a 1-year structural warranty from the date of occupancy. What's covered under your warranty is any settlement issues like drywall cracks, nail pops, doors needing adjusted, appliances that are bought through Wolf, like your HVAC systems, refrigerators, kitchen appliances, washer and dryer if you got it from us as well. We don't cover any normal wear and tear or damage caused by the homeowner. For more information, please visit our website or refer to the warranty documentation given with your house. Our goal is great service. Using your warranty is really simple. You'll be given your warranty tech's information. They will call to schedule and come out and take care of those issues. Anything that's time sensitive, we will schedule as soon as possible to take care of those issues for you. Our most common issues are settlement issues like drywall cracks, nail pops, and door adjustments. If you have any of these issues, please reach out. We'd be happy to come take care of them as part of our warranty process. Another important aspect of your warranty is your manufacturer warranties for things like appliances. You'll get all that information in your warranty documentation so that you can register those with the manufacturer. We will still cover any installation issues, but any defects from the manufacturer will be covered through them. If you need to make a warranty manufacturer claim, we are happy to help you through that process as well. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about your warranty process, please reach out to us and we will answer any questions that you may have. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you on the next one.